Hi guys, my name is Isaac and today I have a new Batman set. It's called the CLAYFACE Splat Attack. It's recommended ages for 8 to 14 and the set number is 70904. Let's look at the back of the box. You can take off his arm and or CLAYFACE's arm and you can swap his expression. So let's open it up. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we've got bag 4, bag 2, bag 1, and bag 3, and we have the instructions. So let's get building. So here's the finished set and I'll just go through them. So here is Mayor McCaskill, Batman. This is a pit that Mayor McCaskill can get stuck in. His CLAYFACE and a spare arm for CLAYFACE. So I'll just start off with CLAYFACE. So here he is. He is really, really cool. It was very hard to build, but it looks epic. So on one arm here, he has little weapons. If you just turn, this happens. Ooh. Yeah, they get shot everywhere. And then on the other arm is a hammer, and you can swap it around to the other arm. And then his eyes. So right now he's angry, and what you can do is you can take him off and swap them to the other side, and then he's sad. So that's CLAYFACE. So here's Batman, and he's a little different to the original Batman from the Lego movie. His belt just kind of pops out a bit more. He has a batarang and a nice little cloth for his cape. So that's Batman. So here is Mayor McCaskill. She has some blonde hair. She has a happy face, but when you put her in the pit, she has a scared face. Look at that. So she has a little walkie-talkie in her hand. She has a blue t-shirt and blue pants, and she has little buttons on her chest. So that's her. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy my sister in the video as well. And look out for us animation, because I'm going to be doing an animation with these things. So I hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!